Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to watch another episode here at the shop. I really appreciate you showing up and coming in to see what we're doing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be working on this differential guard. This is the mock-up I made. Let's get started. So this is my cardboard mock-up that I made. This is the bottom side. Got our logo in there. So this is the pinion guard up here, or the yoke guard. So I designed it. It's pretty complicated, lots of angles and bends, that it's super tight on the axle. It's no real wasted space. So here's all my parts. This is the prototype, all stainless steel. So like this guy goes back here like that. This guy goes like this. I was hoping to get all of this bent in one shot, but I don't think that's going to happen. So most is going to have to get welded up. So I'm going to go ahead and tack it, put it on the axle, make sure everything fits, and then go from there. Being a craftsman. Being a craftsman is not something that I set out to be. I was born this way. I see something that needs to be improved or redesigned or recreated. I can't help myself. Yes, I could buy something already on the market or down at your local store, but what fun would that be? Why have all these tools, these skills, and this time at my hands if you're not going to use it? Instead of wasting my time watching TV or worrying about things out of my control, like politics, I would rather go to my workshop and use my brain and challenge my aesthetic, design new things, create better mousetraps from the old and the tired ideas. Use your hands. Let them create the forms you envision in your mind. Use all of the tools available to you. Doesn't really matter if that is a pencil and a napkin or the latest edition of SolidWorks. Create. Cut your material with a CNC laser or a hacksaw. The outcome can almost be the same with the proper effort. Sand it with power tools or by hand with a file or some sandpaper. Take your time and enjoy the process. You will always get faster as you go if you are allowing yourself to learn from your mistakes. Speaking of mistakes, don't be afraid to make them. That is the best way to learn. Most importantly, do not be afraid to scrap it out and start again. I guarantee you will make it better the second, the third, or the fourth time. Take care of your tools, and they will take care of you, as I'm sure has been repeated many times. Clean them up, put them away on a regular basis. You will be more productive, and you will spend less time looking for that 10mm socket. Buy extra 10mm sockets. I admit I can be a bit of a mess when I am working, but a well-organized work surface and area will make your life easier. Do regular maintenance on your machines and your tools. Grease and oil them. Check for frayed cords or loose wires. And take pride in your work, your workshop, and your accomplishments. I can be bad sometimes at this next one. Finish what you started. Try hard not to get distracted, lost, or discouraged with a project. Often it is necessary to have multiple projects going at once, but limit your exposure to failure or drop projects. Give yourself the opportunity to feel the joy and praise of a well-finished project. All right, that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about the projects that I'm working on. And if you have any questions or comments, of course, just ask away. We are planning on releasing quite a few products for the WJ that I've been working on over these episodes. I'm getting quite a bit of feedback from guys, and there seems to be enough interest where we could do some small production runs of these parts. So it's not going to be massive quantities, but we should be able to make 10 or 20 or 30 of each of some of the stuff that I've been working on. So stay tuned for that. I will do a product launch hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.